Dumpster rental service in Chicopee, Massachusetts. Planning a cleanup or construction project? You'll need a reliable waste solution. Victorio Container offers a top-tier dumpster rental service in Chicopee, Massachusetts, which homeowners and professionals trust. We make it easy to handle everything from small cleanouts to significant renovations. Our dumpster sizes are flexible, and our team is always ready to help you choose what's best for your job. Timely drop-offs and prompt pickups are just part of what sets us apart. We're proud to be part of the Chicopee community and work hard to keep it clean. With every rental, you can expect quality containers and outstanding customer care. We understand that time matters, so we ensure efficient service from start to finish. Our pricing is upfront, and our support is always a phone call away. There is no guesswork, no stress, just dependable service you can count on. We're experienced in serving residential and commercial customers and are here to make waste removal easy. If you're ready to simplify your cleanup, trust Victorio Container for a dumpster rental service in Chicopee, Massachusetts. Contact us today at 413-363-3082, and let's get your project rolling.